Hello, Dr. Zsu here, and today I would like to share with you a goal setting exercise. How does it look like to have different steps for an achievable outcome? A lot of people dreams all over the places and they keep it very far away, their dreams, so they think they can never achieve it. So basically the whole thing is in the tools and the skills to having this exercise to go through these steps to evaluate your goals and how achievable they are. In this case, you learn to make achievable goals. So first of all is what specifically do you want? So you have to state this positively. So if you say I don't want this, then basically this is what will happen. So you have to say exactly and specifically what do you want. Question number 2 is where are you now? What is your state right now in terms of achieving that goal? What are your resources? And specify the present situation as if you were looking through your own eyes. Question number 3 is what will you see, hear, feel when you have it? This is an important part of it because you have to examine and imagine exactly through these kinesthetics of feelings and hearing and seeing. What will you see in the surroundings once that goal actually comes true? So you have to put yourself there, see the surroundings, see your goal, feeling it, the satisfaction, the achievement, hear what other people are saying, if other people are around. You have to actually examine it this way and put yourself into the experience of already having it. Having the imagination, it's one of the most important things. So first the mind starts to see your goal actually is yours. So once that happens, you start believing it, and yes, it is yours. What the mind can see, you will believe that this is yours. The number 4 is how will you know that you have it? And basically it's important to examine specifically how do you know that you have your goals. So I will have achieved my goals when, and just continue the sentence specifically what happens. Number 5 is what will this outcome get for you? So that's important because this outcome may allow you to do things and you need to be aware of that. So basically you've got to finish the sentence saying if I get that, then I will be able to, etc., etc. Step number 6, question is it only for you? So is it self-initiated? Because all these goals should be self-initiated. The most it depends on you, the most likely that you will get this goal actually done as faster as possible. So the question is, so you will have to state it that I will do on my own power, and you have to list all the things what you will be doing on your own power towards this goal. Number 7, where, when, how, and with whom do you want it? Now just fill up the contents here appropriately. So I want to achieve this outcome by, set your dates. I want it where, I want it how, and I want it with whom. Now important when we looking at the dates, that you're gonna give yourself a floating date and you just drop it down and float it in. It may come sooner or come later, doesn't matter. As long as your mind is seeing this, that is the most important. Question number 8 is one of the most important evaluation of your goals. Is basically what are the resources you needed? What do you have now and what do you need to get for your outcome? First question among these is that have you ever had or done this before or had this before, and what did you do to achieve that? Second one, do you know anyone who had that and what this person did if you didn't have this before? Think about it, list those down specifically. Number 3 is how can you act? Can you act as if you have it, as you already had it? So act, stand up, act, feel it as you already have this goal achieved. Number 4 is what behavior, state, ability, belief, and support you need to have, and when you get them would make the outcome undeniable. So what do you have to believe? What kind of abilities and resources and support you have to have so that it's undeniable that this goal is yours and nobody can take it away from you? It's very important to list that down, exactly what you have to believe, from the confidence to the beliefs to every single part. The next is what behavior, state, ability, belief, support would make